Okay, hello everyone. Now, what you are looking at is the plant which is called as the Allium cepa. Okay, see at the base you will find there is a onion which is underground, right? At the base you will definitely observe there is a onion. See at the base you can see the tuber which is called as the bulb which is the onion. Okay, this is the Allium cepa plant and this is the onion. It is here you can observe there is a modified stem, and this modified stem got the leaves which got overlap over the one another, hence they were forming the onion. Okay, now as you observe the stem is got modified into the bulb. Above here you will observe the leaves which are coming out right from the base. Here the radical type of the leaves are there in this Allium cepa. Okay, and they were showing the parallel type of the venation, which is the characteristic feature of the monocotyledonous plant. At the same time, here you will observe how the sheathing leaf base is there. Okay, sheathing leaf base is there, and it is nearly covering the every type of the node. Okay, in the stem. So this stem at the base got modified into the bulb-like structure, which we called it as a onion. And at the base of the onion, at the other side of the onion, you will observe the adventitious type of the roots. Okay, so adventitious type of the roots at the below. After that we have the modified stem in the form of the onion. Then here right from the base we have the radical type of the leaves which were showing the presence of the sheathing leaf base. Now rest plant, when you observe, this is the herb. Okay, a typical herb, and at the apex you will observe the inflorescence. Okay, and this inflorescence is the monocasial type of the cyme type of the inflorescence, and generally the flower is bisexual. uh, Perianth is present as it is the monocotyledonous family, and these perianths were showing the 6 tepals. Okay, 3 plus 3 arrangement is there, and bisexual flower, hermaphrodite flower is there. Okay, now after the flowering these fruits will pollinate, and after the pollination there will be the formation of the seed and the fruit. But what we consume from this plant is nothing but the stem. Okay, at the base we have the stem which got modified into the onion, and this particular onion we eat. Okay, and this onion is a modified form of the stem of this plant. All right, so perennial herb is here, and the very monocasial type of the inflorescence is shown by this plant. The stem is got modified into the bulb. The roots are adventitious type of roots, and how the leaves are there, leaves are radical, showing the parallel type of venation, right? And the sheathing leaf bases are present. Okay, so in the family of Liliaceae you can put forward the example for this in the UPSC mains examination, or in the Amaryllidaceae family also you can put the example of the onion. Okay, so this is all about this particular onion plant. Thank you.